State government has announced during the 2021 that we are going to give 1 lakh fresh appointment in government. But today we have already crossed 1,36,000. We are going towards achieving more than 1,50,000 appointment in government sectors. A lot of results has been announced, and we are giving appointment letter phase wise. Today we have given appointment letters to 8,000 lecturers and teachers. This appointment will strengthen the public education system in Assam.
So would you please brief on the people arrested for making derogatory social media posts in Assam?
As of now, we have arrested 17 people who have directly or indirectly lauded the Delhi bomb blast. We are taking a approach where it will be zero tolerance. We are examining over 100 social media posts right now, and wherever we have seen clear connection or clear encouragement towards the terrorism, we have arrested them, and we will continue to arrest them till we crack the entire ecosystem in Assam. এতিয়া তিনি গগৈ লগ লাগিছে এক গগৈৰ বিয়া পাতাৰ কাৰণে, গতিকে তেওঁলোকে হেতু কাম কৰক। তিনি গগৈ লগ লাগি এজন গগৈৰ বিয়া পাতিব খুজিছে, গতিকে বিয়া পাতাৰ কামত তেওঁলোক ব্যস্ত হৈ থাকক। আমি ৰাজনীতি কৰি থাকো, আমি মানুহৰ কাম কৰি থাকো।